Hi my beauties, this is Zakera and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this soft dewy wearable look, which is my personal favorite look as it is so natural looking and at the same time it makes you look presentable using minimal products. So if you want to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. So I have already applied my skincare, which is my toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, and I have also applied my primer. Now I'm just getting my hair out of the way and my skin is already prepped. So let's start with the foundation. Today I'm using the Seri foundation in the shade Ivory. This is a stick foundation and it's really creamy and hydrating. It's best for dry skin types. So I'm just going to apply it where I need the coverage and not all over, because this is a very natural kind of a look. Applying it under the eyes, around my mouth area, under the nose, on the center of the forehead, a little bit on the nose and on the chin. Now taking a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything with a really light hand. You want to use a beauty blender as we are going for a really natural looking coverage for this one. If your skin has dark circles or pigmentation, you want to use a peach or an orange color corrector before using the foundation. And the quantity of the foundation you want to use is very subjective. You might use less or more than how much I used. This beauty blender is from Miniso. I will link it in the description. You want to take some time to blend it out so that nothing looks cakey or patchy. And now comes my favorite part of this look, that is the lip tint. I'm using the Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Cherry. Applying it on the top of the cheeks. It's a beautiful peachy pink shade and blending it with the same beauty blender. This is such a natural product. It blends like a dream and gives a subtle glow also. Blend it upwards on the high points of your cheeks. Once that is blended, I am taking this contour stick from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Fawn first and applying it from the top of my ears towards the end of the lip. This is to just give some dimension to the face, and I'm also going to contour my nose. This is completely optional, and then I'm going to blend it all using the same beauty sponge. When you're going for a dewy and natural finish base, you want to use more of cream products, as powder products can mattify your skin and they won't make your skin glow. If you lose the color of your blush while blending, you can always add more and blend. And once I've blended everything, I'm going to set my under eyes using a loose powder from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to use a good amount to bake under my eyes, as this will also highlight my under eyes, making them appear brighter. You can use a compact powder and just set it like this one from Sugar, which I'm going to use to set the areas which can crease easily, like around my mouth, under my cheekbones, and also on the center of my forehead, which gets oily really fast. Even though we are going for a dewy and glowy look, you want to set some of the areas of your face a little matte, because some areas don't look that appealing when they are oily. So that's how I feel. You can do however you like. And now that our base is almost taken care of, let's move on to the eyes. Before that, I'm gonna finish up my brows, and for that, today I'm using the Morphe 25A eyeshadow palette. I like using powder products to fill in my eyebrows. now it's time to dust off the excess powder from the under eye area, and you can see how much brightened my under eyes look after this step. After which I'm gonna use the same lip and cheek tint which we used on the cheeks. I'm also gonna use it on the eyes. I'm going to apply it on my crease and blend it using a fluffy brush from Real Techniques in a circular and windshield wiper motion. It's completely okay if it looks a little bit messy at this point. We are just creating a base for our next eyeshadows. For the next step, I'm going to use the Drama palette from Mist Cosmetics. I'm going to first use the shade Snatched. It's a light peachy pink shade. It's a beautiful shade, and I'm going to apply it on the crease where I've applied the tint before. Also using the same fluffy brush which I used before. And now taking the shade T, which is a matte light nude shade, using a big shader brush, I'm gonna use it from the inner corner to the center of my lids and then just blend it outwards, really packing in the product. And now I'm gonna finish it up with some mascara, and before that I'm just curling my eyelashes. This step is such a game changer when it comes to lashes. You see how much of a difference it makes without any mascara already. I'm gonna use the Iba mascara today to coat my lashes. And that completes the eye makeup. Again, coming to the lip and cheek tint, I'm going to apply it on my lips. I don't want any harsh lines, so I'm not using a lip liner today for this look, but you can use it if you like it that way. This tint gives a nice glossy effect for some time. And now to finish it all up, I'm gonna use the shade Milk from the Mist Cosmetics Drama palette, and I'm just going to apply it on the top of my cheeks and little bit on my forehead and little bit on my nose and chin using a fluffy highlighter brush. And here is the completed look. Fresh, glowy, dewy. This is the kind of look I would wear every day, and honestly it takes so less time to achieve it, approximately 10 to 15 minutes maximum if you get the hang of it. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments, would you wear this kind of a look? And also let me know if you want to see more casual looks. I would love to make them for you guys. And also all the product details are mentioned in the links in the description, so you can check them out if you are interested. If you are watching until here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.